In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit the header of your Weebly website. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then log in to your account. From your dashboard, select your website and click Edit Site to open the editor. Once you're inside the editor, click directly on the header section at the top of your page. Then click Edit Background to change how your header looks. You can choose an image, color, gradient or video. Upload your file or pick a style, then save your changes. To edit your logo or title, click on the header text or logo area. You can upload a logo or type new text and adjust the font, size and color. To update the navigation menu, click on Pages at the top. Drag and reorder pages to change how they appear in your header menu. When you're done, click Publish to make your changes live. That's how to edit the header of a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.